Aloo Tikki recipe, where they fast from sunrise to sunset for a month. It is also a time for family gatherings and communal meals, where delicious food is shared and enjoyed. One dish that is particularly popular during Ramadan is Aloo Tikki chaat, a savory and spicy potato snack that is perfect for breaking the fast. Aloo Tikki chaat is a popular street food in India, made with mashed potatoes, spices, and herbs, formed into patties, and deep-fried until crispy and golden brown. The tikkis are then served with a variety of toppings, such as chutneys, yogurt, onions, and sev, crispy fried noodles. This dish is a perfect combination of flavors and textures, with the crispy exterior of the tikki giving way to the soft and fluffy interior. To make Aloo Tikki chaat, start by boiling and mashing potatoes until they are smooth and free of lumps. Add in a variety of spices, such as cumin, coriander, and garam masala, along with finely chopped onions, ginger, and green chilies. Mix everything together until well combined, and then form the mixture into small patties. Dip each patty into a mixture of chickpea flour and water, and then deep fry until crispy and golden brown. To assemble the chaat, place the tikkis on a plate and top them with a generous amount of yogurt, mint chutney, and tamarind chutney. Sprinkle some chopped onions, cilantro, and sev on top, and serve immediately. The combination of sweet and tangy chutneys, creamy yogurt, and crispy sev is the perfect accompaniment to the spicy and savory tikkis. Aloo Tikki chaat is a versatile dish that can be enjoyed as a snack or a meal, and it is perfect for sharing with family and friends during Ramadan. This dish can be customized to suit your taste preferences, with different chutneys and toppings added to create your own unique flavor combination. So why not try making Aloo Tikki chaat this Ramadan and experience the delicious flavors of this classic Indian street food? Introduction. Ramadan is a special time of year for Muslims around the world, marked by fasting during the daylight hours and communal meals at night. Aloo Tikki chaat is a popular snack during Ramadan, particularly in India, made with spicy mashed potato patties topped with chutneys, yogurt, and other flavorful ingredients. This dish is versatile and can be enjoyed as a snack or a meal during Ramadan, perfect for breaking the fast or sharing with family and friends. Aloo Tikki chaat can be customized to suit individual taste preferences, with different chutneys and toppings added to create a unique and delicious flavor profile. This classic Indian street food is a must-try during Ramadan and is sure to satisfy your cravings for something spicy, savory, and delicious. Aloo Tikki chaat for Ramadan recipe Chef Mariam. Welcome to Chef Mariam's food blog, where I'll be sharing my favorite recipe for Aloo Tikki chaat, perfect for Ramadan. This delicious and flavorful dish is a staple street food in India, made with crispy and spicy potato patties that are topped with a variety of chutneys, yogurt, and sev. It's a perfect snack or meal for breaking the fast during Ramadan and is sure to become a favorite in your kitchen. Ingredients. For the Aloo Tikki: 4 medium-sized potatoes, boiled and mashed. 1/2 cup chickpea flour. 1 teaspoon cumin powder. 1 teaspoon coriander powder. 1/2 teaspoon garam masala. 1/2 teaspoon red chili powder. 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder. 1/2 inch ginger, finely chopped. 2 green chilies, finely chopped. Salt to taste. Oil for frying. For the chaat: 1/2 cup yogurt. 1/4 cup mint chutney. 1/4 cup tamarind chutney. 1/4 cup finely chopped onions. 1/4 cup chopped fresh cilantro. 1/4 cup sev. Salt to taste. Instructions. Boil the potatoes until they are fully cooked and then mash them until smooth and free of lumps. In a mixing bowl, combine the mashed potatoes, cumin powder, coriander powder, garam masala, red chili powder, turmeric powder, chopped ginger, chopped green chilies, and salt to taste. Mix well until all the ingredients are combined. Using your hands, form small patties with the potato mixture, and keep them aside. In a separate bowl, mix the chickpea flour and water to make a thick batter. Dip each potato patty into the chickpea flour batter, coating it evenly. Carefully place the patty into the hot oil and fry until it turns golden brown on both sides. Repeat the process with the remaining potato patties. To assemble the chaat, place 2 to 3 aloo tikkis on a plate. Add a generous spoonful of yogurt on top of the tikkis. Drizzle some mint chutney and tamarind chutney on top of the yogurt. Sprinkle some finely chopped onions and fresh cilantro over the chutneys. Finally, top it off with a generous helping of sev. Serve immediately and enjoy your delicious aloo tikki chaat. Tips. Make sure the potato mixture is not too moist. If it is, add some corn flour or breadcrumbs to help it hold its shape. You can adjust the spice level of the aloo tikki according to your taste preferences by adding more or less of the spices listed. To save time, you can prepare the chutneys in advance and store them in the refrigerator. You can also serve this dish with some extra lemon juice or chaat masala for added flavor. In conclusion, aloo tikki chaat is a delicious and popular snack during Ramadan, perfect for breaking the fast or sharing with family and friends. With its crispy and spicy potato patties and variety of flavorful toppings, it's sure to become a favorite in your kitchen. So why not try making this classic Indian street food during Ramadan and enjoy the delicious flavors of aloo tikki. Aloo Tikki Chaat. Chef Mariam's Ramadan unique information. Chef Mariam has a unique take on the traditional aloo tikki chaat recipe, which incorporates some special ingredients and techniques to enhance the flavor and texture of the dish. Here is some unique information about Chef Mariam's version of the recipe. Instead of boiling the potatoes, Chef Mariam roasts them in the oven before mashing them. This gives the potatoes a slightly smoky and caramelized flavor, which adds depth and complexity to the dish. Chef Mariam uses a special spice blend for the aloo tikki, which includes not only cumin powder, coriander powder, and garam masala but also fennel seeds, mustard seeds, and black pepper. This unique blend of spices adds a subtle sweetness and heat to the dish, making it more flavorful and aromatic. For the chaat toppings, Chef Mariam uses homemade chutneys instead of store-bought ones. Her mint chutney is made with fresh mint leaves, cilantro, green chilies, and lemon juice, which gives it a bright and zesty flavor. Her tamarind chutney, on the other hand, is made with tamarind pulp, jaggery, and a blend of spices, which gives it a sweet and tangy flavor that complements the savory aloo tikki perfectly. To make the chaat even more delicious and crunchy, Chef Mariam adds some pomegranate seeds and toasted peanuts on top of the aloo tikki. The pomegranate seeds add a juicy burst of sweetness, while the peanuts add a nutty crunch that complements the soft and crispy texture of the aloo tikki. Finally, Chef Mariam garnishes the chaat with some edible flowers, which not only add a pop of color but also a delicate floral flavor that elevates the dish to a whole new level. In conclusion, Chef Mariam's version of aloo tikki chaat is a unique and flavorful take on the traditional recipe, incorporating some special ingredients and techniques that make the dish even more delicious and satisfying. If you're looking for a new and exciting way to enjoy this classic Indian street food during Ramadan, then Chef Mariam's recipe is definitely worth trying.